you can select different photos here. Here's the background photo. If you want to change, just click on it and you will see, you will change it. Just click on background. So let's start the video, guys. Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. So in this video I will let you know how you can make uh, posters and how you can design different banners for social media, for Instagram, for YouTube for free and without learning graphic designing. So you can let me switch on my Wi-Fi and so you can learn this. So what you need to do, there's no need to you need to learn graphic designing or any kind of software. What you need to do, just go to snappa.com. When you will go, you can see, let me .com. So this window will appear. Okay, this window will appear when you will go there. So here you can select width, height, and social media post, what you want to, like Facebook link, Instagram story, even LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter. So in this there's no need to select the width and height, because you can see already mentioned which you need to do. And blogging, if you are a blogger, you can design here. And how to use this, there are many options. For suppose I'm going to make YouTube thumbnail. When you will click, this will appear. You can see the templates, a lot of many templates you can see. And you can design. Suppose I will click here. So when you click here, so it will take a little bit time. So here you can see, you can edit this. And if I zoom out, you can change the background picture, you can change the text, you can change the text color as well. Here just you need to click on it, double click, and you can type here. See, if you want to remove this, so just click and press del, and you can move here, you can change the picture, you can change the color, you can add the font. But you can't add the font if you have a free account. One more thing, graphics. If you click on graphics, you can upload your photo here. You can select different icons, different vectors, and in photos, you will here you can select different photos as well. You can upload. You can see I have uploaded these. If you click, I click here, you can see, you can like this or whatever, wherever you want to do. Let's go to the shapes. You can select different shapes, select heading, you can select heading, subheadings, or body text. Even you can change from here the size as well. So such every brightness, every setting is available here. And you can select different photos here. Here's the background photo. If you want to change, just click on it and you will see, you will change it. Just click on background and you can, in the background you can select. If you don't want to, you can pattern, you can select even as a background. You can upload any picture as well, like this. So if you're looking for a solid color, background color, you can select a background color as well, whatever you need, and photos. So, and it's all, one more thing, it's a copyright free. There is no strike you will not get if you're posting this on YouTube, on Facebook or Twitch. So you can use it freely. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.